Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Shein haul to share. It is all nail art related items. I'm so excited for some of these items. We're just going to jump right in. The link to Shein and that information is going to be in the description box below, so check it out, as well as a Shein playlist. So let's get started. First item I picked up are these holographic set of glitter, like chrome glitter powders. 12 in here for under $3. These are gorgeous. So pretty. 12 different colors in there. So pretty. And they came all sealed and intact. And I picked up a bunch of foils. So this set here, they have nice foils and a really good price on them. So we'll go through them really quickly. I like these newspapery looking ones. And these are just the strips, not the rolls. I wanted this coffee one. And I do like to use these with nail art stamping. Too. So, I think that was probably about 10 of them in there, and they just come in the package like this. The next one I did get in the same kind of style, the strips. These are mostly space themed, I believe, and there's 30 in this pack. 30 foils. I have a bunch of videos on foils. Ooh, that one's pretty. One is too. Ooh, nice. They're sticking to my fingers. Oh yes, update. If you watched my last Shein haul, if you're familiar with my channel, I did get a slicer, and I will say the slicer is very sharp, and it took my thumbnail off. Yeah. So I'm gonna be careful using that thing. Oh, I like that. Constellation ones. Oh, that one's really pretty too. Like I said, there was 30 in this one. Very beautiful ones here. Oh. 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 Whoops. Oh, last one. So you get a lot in there for the price you pay. Honestly, I think you get a lot unless you're doing nails professionally. You know what I use them for. It's not, you know, it's plenty for me. And this one. And these come with plastic cases. I love the cases because once the foils are gone, you can reuse them. Look, and these come in rolls. And this one is just like got some rainbow ombre style stuff, but I really wanted it for these like spacey looking ones. Nail art foils are so much fun. Okay, next. And nice case. These are like the shell looking, like the inside of like a seashell. And marbling kind of effect too. But they definitely remind me of the inside of a shell. Now some of them are kind of off printed, you can see. But still, still plenty for me because I don't really keep long nails that often. So really like these. Very beautiful. Then I have this one. And this one's a bit bigger than the others two that I just shared. And where does it open? Over here it opens differently as well. Once again, rolls. And these are like the newspaper clipping ones, and aren't they pretty? I don't know, I instantly thought of true crime when I saw these newspaper ones. Probably a sign to watch too much true crime, right? But I thought those were beautiful. And then the last set I picked up is this set here. And these are butterflies. And I got these with the intention of, because they are clear, because they have the clear background, of isolating these. And I really wanted to do a Life is Strange butterfly nail art, and I think these butterflies are going to be perfect for that. And these are really beautiful. They have lots of different butterfly ones, lots of flowers, lots of foils on Shein. So I'm really happy with my Shein purchases once again. You cannot beat the prices and the quality that 90% of their stuff is. I've had no issues. So I hope you enjoyed my Shein nail art haul. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Stay tuned for nail tutorials using the foils. Don't forget to check the description box for additional Shein links and a playlist. Thank you so much for watching.